Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of I Was Forced to Love My Stepmother, a movie queen, a love show, chapter 31. So here it is. Let's read the story. Back to Suman and Rantau. Well, I must be in hell right now. Tao Tao, she was really confused. Of course, she remembered about Suman and her instead of the groom in the wedding. Otherwise, the bridge and the groom visions become me and Suman. Oh, this is great. Right now, it seems that she's really feeling crazy, thinking so much and so on. Suman, it turns out she was suddenly came there. Wait, what do you want to do again? Right now, run down. She must really alert because she knows that Suman might do something against to her. Right now, she was really scared. She was thinking about the married. Well, finally, the two of them are going back home. They're still on the same car, still sitting beside each other. Suman said, "It's blowing all the way, so be careful of catching a cold." Oh, it turns out Suman was only concerned about her, so she cannot get sick and catch a cold. Right now, Tao Tao, when she's looking at Suman, she's seeing her. Mouth is so full, so, oh, right now. It's like she's having a fantasy towards Suman. She was only looking at her, seeing everything on her face. It really makes sense to Rantau. It seems that her mind is getting crazy, thinking about everything about Suman. Well, she is right now, looking at her, just being fascinated. The beauty of Suman, of course. She was really gorgeous. That sophisticated look and elegant. Right now, it makes Rantau the really blushing. I'm so hot. I just want to blow the air. I want you to take care of it. Oh, suddenly Suman seems that she was really puzzled about the actions of Rantau. Right now, Suman said to her, "You just said what do you want to do?" Oh, right now, Suman. It seems that she was really enjoying to tease her so much. And Suman is asking her, "What did I do?" Well, definitely, she has nothing to do with anything. Right now, of course, Rantau, she got really shy towards her. She want to put the blame on Suman. "Rantau, what are you doing? You knows the best. The last homework was..." Oh, it turns out she really want to ask about the last time. Well, I think she was really shy to speak about it. Forcibly, she changed the subject so she cannot feel awkward. "When I get home, I'm going off the bus." Well, finally the two of them arrive on the home. I must find time to go to the temple to pay my respect. Recently, Suman was blushing at her heart was beating so fast. This is very wrong. Oh, right now, I really want to restrain herself. That's why, what are you dragging me for? My friend is asking her. "Didn't you see the wind blowing? Go back quickly." "I am freezing to death," Randall said to her friend, but right now, Suman, she was left in the car. Only follows Tao Tao's were about. That day, I should have endured it, but how can I bear it when the person I have loved for so long is right in front of me? Suman, she's having remorse on what she done last time. I said to her that kiss must have scared her. Well, I think she really is, but it's not worried about Tao Tao. Tao Tao seems to be worried about having an affair with her. What were you running for just now? There's a ghost chasing you behind your back. Her friend is asking her, but right now, Randall, she was really thinking hard. Isn't it? Why is my nose so itchy? Oh, right now, Randall. It seems that she's not really feeling well. Hey, Tao Tao, today I added a little swan's WeChat account. Well, it was the second step. Turns out her friend is really happy, knowing that she got really the WeChat number of her crush. The third step is to enter the wedding hall, which is she was really dreaming right now. Well, Tao Tao's friend's really funny. Although right now, she's like a kind of girl who's happy-go-lucky. If you have nothing to do, find a class to avoid being filled with unrealistic fantasies. Well, Tao Tao really said to her. Of course, it's like really a fantasy for her. Although I didn't have a chance to ask for infield tickets today because I was afraid it would be too presumptuous to ask for infield tickets. I successfully added the WeChat and right now her friend. It seems too bad she noticed something about Tao Tao. Tao Tao, it seems like she's a little bit shaky. And Tao Tao, why is your face so red? Oh, looking at this girl. She looks really uncomfortable. Insu didn't really do anything to you, right? Felt something was wrong when you came out of her room that night. Oh, right now, her friend is trying to confront her, but right now, Rantao, she really feels uneasy. She feels become dizzy. Stop talking. My hearts hurt a little. Rantao said to her, right now, her vision is blaring. Well, it was not really good. Right now, you should not do it. But Rantao suddenly, let me go. Your end is so hot that you can fry an egg. Her friend said to her. And this is it. Rantao suddenly falls down on the floor. Her friend was there. Of course, he is really panicking. Right now, she's screaming and said Tao Tao. And it got lucky that Suman was there, downstairs, and entering the house. Tao Tao's prince was rushing through. Sister Man Man, Tao Tao is fainted. She was really screaming. To speak on Man Man, tell them about what happened to Rantao. Well, looking at her, she was really rushing for help. Someone must help them be able to carry Rantao so they can bring her to the hospital. Well, hearing this right now, Suman, of course, she was really in shock. Looking at her, a few minutes ago, two of them still talking, but right now, Tao Tao, she was really fall down. She looks like she was really sick. Well, the story is getting better. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hey guys, membership is already open. For those who want to support, you can support me by joining the membership or you can directly support me via Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye!